Chapter 7, Miscellaneous Exercise, question number 7. The question is like this. In examination, a paper consists of 12 questions divided into two parts, A and B. So number of questions are 12. Okay. And they are divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 contains 5 questions, part 2 contains 7 questions. And a student has to attempt 8 questions in all. A student is required to attempt 8 questions in all, selecting at least 3 from each part. Okay. So selection of 8 questions can be done in following ways. 3 from part 1 and 5 from part 2. Okay, this is the first way. 4 from part 1 and 4 from part 2. 5 from part 1 and 3 from part 2. Okay, so these are the number of ways he can make selection. So the first selection, the total number of ways of first selection would be 5C3 into 7C5. The total number of ways of second selection would be 5C4 into 7C4. And the number of ways of this third selection would be 5C5 into 7C3. Total ways would be equal to the sum of the total number of ways of selecting the questions in the 3 cases which we have considered. Okay. So this will be equal to 10 into 21 because 7C5 is equal to 21. 5C4 is equal to 5. 7C4 is equal to how much? It is equal to 35. 5C5 is 1 and 7C3 is again equal to 35. On adding, I am going to get 210 plus 175 plus 35 is equal to 420. So 420 ways are there.